It means the video is starting. Am I playing in front of the video? I better not play. I have to start making the video. Okay, sorry guys. I was just playing. Anyways, hi everyone. My name is Hiral. Welcome back to Lockdown Activity channel. Today we're going to make an elephant. That's why I have my stuffy elephant. You could see in my comments below. It's a video tooth fairy. Yeah, how to make a tooth fairy. Could see in that the video I made it elephant. Why not the elephant but tooth fairy? We made the tooth fairy together, and it's the pet of the first tooth fairy. Okay, so let's start making our elephant. For this we need a straw that I was playing with, a black marker, triangle shapes of white paper like this, cut it like this. You could take a white paper and cut it. No white papers sell this kind of papers, so just cut it into pieces. Same with the eyes. Just make two oval shapes, but just cut it, then your oval shape is complete. We need two bigger triangles of blue paper, and for the elephant's trunk we need blue strip of white paper. Could see with my elephants, its teeth are white. All elephants' teeth are kind of white. And don't forget, we're going to make a special elephant. That's why the special elephant, it's elephant. I'm always so silly. Elephant is a surprise. So we are taking the straw for the surprise. So let's start making our elephants. Let's not get started yet. We don't need to forget the important things, sticking things like that. For that we need gum, glue stick, anything that it's sticky, but it should be like this or like glue. I'm always so silly. Why? Like a glue stick, you could take anything, glue stick or glue like me. Gather up, otherwise we'll be confused because everything is white in same color. Let's put these things aside. We need the important things aside, not important things that we need, that the things that we need first. First things first, we'll take our two triangle papers. As I said, take any blue paper, just cut into triangle pieces, just like you see a pencil line. So for the easy thing, we have to fold it. Just easy thing, just put the triangle pieces like this and fold it. Yep, and fold. Now you need to stick things. Stick it. Glue over here, just a little bit. Now you stick. Wait for it dry. After your glue is dry, just take your straw. Since in the straw there's these kind of things, it's okay. You could make a special straw. Just glue the straw like this. And you stick it like this Just apply gum or glue, whatever it's called, and stick it like this. Be careful, hold on tight and let it dry. Do the same thing as you do over here. Just don't need to take another straw. Just apply gum over here. Your gum is put it like this. For the gum, like glue, if it's glue stick, just put a hole like this. Hold it. Do it like this. If the straw is again like this, just do it again. Some people may be watching this video. They might asking, how do we apply the trunk? Should we apply it like this? Apply like this? Or apply inside it? Like this. But the correct answer is we should apply inside this. For it, we need to apply glue, a little bit glue, and stick it on inside of it. Just apply side like this and stick it. For making the ears of the elephant, we fold this paper like this. And put glue over here and just stick it in the both sides. After sticking the ears, you take a pink color marker. You have to take a light color, or a pencil color. You could see my marker looks quite dark, but this is quite a magic. See my magic. Color it nice and slowly. Color it really light. Color it only like this. Now you make the lines of the trunks. One long, one short. Short, long. Short, long. You make a first long, short, long, short, long, short. Like this. Then you close your marker or take anything that is like this and roll it like this. Till here. Better if you do till here. Let it go. Then see. You put this aside, just see. You actually have to cut this thing. You take the eyes and draw half circle another small half circle at the bottom here, and a smaller one here. Color the big half circle, this one, black, and leave the other small circles white. You do everything in the second eye. After drawing the eyes, just flip it over like this and a tiny drop over here. Do it in the second eye also. Now you stick it. After sticking the eyes, you have to stick the teeth. You could see some details I applied because it's stylish. I like to apply eyelashes everywhere. That we're drawing as like an animal, human, like that things. After sticking the eyes, you stick the teeth. You could stick it any time. You could stick the eyes in any time or the teeth in any time. But don't forget to make sure that these things are done, but not the eyes part and the teeth part. Just 2 spots. This elephant is easy. After sticking the teeth, your elephant is done. And see this. And I'll show you the fun part. The straw has opened, but you could still see the hole. Don't do it like this, otherwise you could not put the straw in. If you want to stick it back, just do it like this. But don't make sure it's not like this. You have to look back over here. It should be this much. And just blow your elephant. If you blow it, the trunk will float like this. See? Listen carefully and hear carefully. Why I'm always so silly? You have to look carefully. So I'm going to do it really slow. This is so funny elephant and it's really nice. So, and look at the teeth. That's why we do the trunk like this and add a straw. I'm going to keep the straw out of for now. So I hope you like, subscribe and share this video. Bye!